Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we saw how to solve the first type of linear inequalities. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to solve the second type of linear inequalities. So we move on to type 2 of linear inequalities. Type 2. In this type of linear inequalities, you have the letter on both sides of the inequality. So we have been given 3 questions here and we will take them one after the other. We will solve the first question in this video. The first question says that we should solve 7x minus 1 is less than or equal to 15x minus 15. And illustrate our answer on a number line. So here's the question we are supposed to solve. 7x minus 1 is less than or equal to 15x minus 15. Straight away, the first thing that we need to do is to group like terms. As I always say, I would like to group the terms with the variables or with the terms with x on the left side of the equation of the inequality. Then I group the terms without the variables on the right side. So here, I'm going to take 15x from this side and bring it here. Then I will take minus 1 from this side and I'll send it over here. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to have 7x. I'll keep the 7x here. 15x here is positive. So when it crosses the inequality sign to this side, it becomes negative. So I'm going to have 7x minus 15x. Then we have the sign less than or equal to. We have minus 15 here already, so I'll keep that. Now 1 is negative, so when it crosses the inequality sign to this side, it becomes positive. So I'm going to have plus 1. 7x minus 15x. If you watch the video on addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, we know that 7x minus 15x is minus 8x. We have less than or equal to minus 15 plus 1 is minus 14. From here, we divide through by the number attached to x. The number attached to x is minus 8. So we are going to divide through this inequality by the number minus 8. Remember, we said that if you divide through by a negative number, the sign of the inequality changes. So as soon as we divide through or we divide both sides by minus 8, the sign changes from less than or equal to greater than or equal to. Minus 8 will cancel minus 8. So you are going to have x is greater than or equal to minus 14 divided by minus 8 is 7 over 4. So we have solved the inequality. Now the second part of our question says that we should illustrate our answer on a number line. Now, how do we do this? First, you draw a line like this with the arrows at the end. Now, as I told you in the previous videos, make sure that the number in your answer appears on the number line. So here, I'm going to start from that number. The number in our answer is 7 over 4. So I'm going to write that on our number line, 7 over 4. Looking at the inequality sign, it shows that the arrow will be moving in this direction. Now, this is what I mean. Looking at the inequality sign, it means that the line that we are going to draw on top of the inequality will be moving in this direction. We know from our number line that if you have a number line like this, if you have a line like this, sorry, I'm going to clean this so that you get it very well. Okay. So if you have a line like this, our number line, let's say that this is our number line. Then this is the line that divides it. Moving from this side to this side, here is the positive side and here is the negative side. So what this means is that if you are moving from this end here to this side, which the inequality sign is showing us that will be our direction, the numbers are positives. If you are moving to the other side, the numbers are negative. Now, because the arrow is showing us that we will be moving in this direction, we will not concern ourselves with the numbers here. We are only going to concern ourselves with the numbers that will be moving in this direction. So from 7 over 4, what will be our next number? Now, this is the trick that I use. To get the next number, just add 7 over 4 to this 7 over 4. So we are going to add 7 over 4 to 7 over 4 in order to get the next number. So to get the next number, we are going to have 7 over 4. We add it to another 7 over 4. Okay. Sorry. So 7 over 4, we add it to 7 over 4, and we are going to get 7 over 2, which means that our next number on the number line must be 7 over 2. It's always good to list about 2 or 3 numbers. So I'm going to add another number to this number line. Now to add another number to this number line, what you have to do is that add 7 over 4 to this new number, which is 7 over 2. So I'm on my calculator, I'm going to add. So I already have 7 over 2. So 7 over 2, 7 over 2. Then I will add 7 over 4, which is our original number. I will add it to it, and that is giving us 21 over 4. So our next number on the number line is 21 over 4. So you get it right. The first number is 7 over 4. Add 7 over 4 to 7 over 4. You get the next number. Add another 7 over 4 to this new number. So if you add 7 over 4 to the new number, which is 7 over 2, you are going to get 21 over 4. If you have about 3 numbers like this, it's okay. Now, to draw the number line, all you need to do is to draw a line on top of the number in your answer, which in this case is 7 over 4. So you draw a line from 7 over 4 in this direction. Then we are going to shade the circle on top of the answer because it is greater than or equal to. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video where we will take another question on type 2 of linear inequalities. Bye bye.